Everything in life involves motion. Think about sports, the athlete running down the track. What about music? The vibration of air particles from the musical instrument into our ears. When we are in an aircraft, the wind flows over the wings, lifting the aircraft up, and the air goes into the engine, pushing the aircraft forwards, getting us to where we would like to go. All these involve mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering is about understanding and controlling motion. It's not only about vehicles and engines, it's also about generating electricity through wind turbines. It's about robotics, it's about drones, it's about aerodynamics. And here we are in an air museum where we can easily see the effects of mechanical engineering firsthand. For more than 100 years, we've been taming the skies. Beginning with the Wright brothers, we learned how to lift a plane off the ground. And then we wanted to go faster, and then we broke the speed of sound. In the modern era, with the help of mechanical engineering, we're figuring out how to fly more efficiently and more sustainably. In this major, you will learn about the basics of mechanical engineering systems, from thermodynamics to sensors to actuators, programming. You will experience all of this in tutorials, workshops, and labs. All of this culminating in our capstone project involving our industry partners from solar companies to aerospace companies.
I chose to do the mechanical engineering systems major because I always knew I wanted to do engineering. I just didn't know what kind. In your first year, they get you to do a foundational engineering course, and in that class, I spoke to my lecturers, and the mechanical engineering lecturers worked on such interesting projects that I wanted to do mechanical engineering. In the major, you learn a lot of skills that will set you up for your masters. I learned things like thermodynamics, fluid dynamics, mechanics, a little bit of electrical stuff, and maths. After the major, I went and studied a mechanical engineering master's at Melbourne, and now that I've graduated, I want to take mechanical engineering down one of the multiple parts it can go. There's aerospace, environmental, biomedical, just to list a few, and I would love to follow the biomedical engineering pathway.
Upon completing our major, our students will go on to do their masters, which will allow them to become a fully accredited mechanical engineer. This will allow them to go into fields such as renewable energy, mining, and aerospace. Here at the University of Melbourne, we pride ourselves in training our students to be innovative thinkers, to go out into the world and tackle problems that's never been tackled before.